And also you have to come out from your comfort zone. You know very well English grammar, you know very well tense, you know very well verb placement, and also you write something in English quickly, but you can firstly don't say anything in English. Hi guys, how are you? I hope that you are very well. I'm also fine. In this video, I would like to say something about speaking English. Why we can't speak in English? We know very well about English. We know, verb placement. We know make sentence. We know write something in English. We know read anything in English. But we can't speak in English. Why we can't speak in English? What's the problem? Actually, just you think how long you spend behind speaking English. Just think that you just spent 0 minute behind speaking English. You don't practice. You don't say something in English. Even you don't try to speak in English. But when you need to speak in English, the time you are busy to learn something, how to improve speak in English. It is just quickly you improve. No. Regular basis you have to do practice. You have to speak in English. Then you have to say something in English. Day by day you will improve, and like that in your mother tongue, you just listen 2 years after that you say something in your mother tongue. And beside this, obviously you have to learn English, then you have to speak. And as much as you can speak, you can learn, you can say something in English. Obviously, you have to create the habit. You have to make habit. If you make the habit, definitely you can speak in English. Obviously, you have to stick to it. If you stick to it, definitely you can speak English fluently. It is not, so difficult. It is easy. It is a language. So you have to practice, you have to speak more. Just you go anywhere, the time you try to speak in English. You communicate with anyone, the time you have to speak in English. You need talk to anything, just speak in English. Even in your house, just when talk with anyone, the time you just speak in English. You just habituate with English like your mother tongue. If you do that, definitely you can speak in English without any hesitation. First time it is so difficult, but day by day it will be more easier if you practice regular basis. But you don't practice regular basis, you wanted to practice 2 day, 3 day gap, and then 1 second practice. No, you just practice regularly. If you regularly practice, you can speak in English within 3 months or 6 months. And also you have to come out from your comfort zone. You know very well English grammar, you know very well tense, you know very well verb placement, and also you write something in English quickly, but you can firstly don't say anything in English. So you just give the time, you just spend time writing, reading, but you don't spend time behind speaking English. So you have to spend time behind English. If you spend time, if you invest your time behind English, that means speaking English, you can obviously like writing, reading, like that you can improve in English speaking. So you have to speak more, you have to say in English, you always try to speak in English whenever you stay, doesn't matter. Even you go to market, the time you have to speak, you have to ask the question, you have to say something in English. Obviously, you will improve in speak in English. So in this video, I just say something how to improve your English speaking, and you just follow this and continuously speaking. I think that, and also I guarantee you can speak in English fluently. So that's the end of the video. another the video will be similar. So wait for that and take care of yourself. Best of luck. Goodbye.